Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So reading ito for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates ha, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka makarelate, makaresonate, okay lang. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Ayan, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Yung sa akin, pwede ka magpa-palm reading sa akin kung mag-a-avail ka nung aking bracelet na makikita mo naman doon sa TikTok shop ko, no? Search mo na lang yung mga bracelet na available doon. So, start na natin ng reading. This is for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Kung magbabanggit ako na zodiac sign, energies lang yon. Okay? Pwede ko kasing mabanggit or hindi yung sa person mo kasi energies lang yung ibig sabihin ng aking zodiac na binabanggit doon. Okay, let's start your reading. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, messages for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. One last shuffle. So, isang shuffle na lang for water sign. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. You do have here fire. And I just saw, noticed the name here, Lilith. Yan. So, I don't know kung yung name mo ba or yung name ng person mo has something to do with Lily or Lilith or Elizabeth, Lilibeth, yung mga ganong name. And, or, maybe may mga tao kang kilala or, kung pwedeng hindi may kinalaman sa love, maybe your mother's name is may kinalaman doon sa mga nabanggit ko or regarding sa person mo, pwedeng ganun. But anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Okay lang kahit hindi. So, well, actually, kasi matagal ko nang ginagamit tong card na to, but I just noticed yung name ngayon lang, no? Kung sino yung nag-design. So, maybe it has something to do with you. Okay, you do have your ace, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. For some of you, pwedeng may mga bago kang nadi-discover ngayon. Bagong paniniwala, bagong religion or tradisyon, kultura, or maaaring may mga bagong nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo na parang yung iba sa inyo, I feel like hindi mo pa makita ngayon ang sarili mo or hindi mo pa mailabas ngayon ang sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be a belief or yun nga, paniniwala. Maybe yung iba sa inyo ngayon palang natututo ng tarot reading, ngayon palang nakaka-discover na may tarot reading pala dito sa YouTube, pwede ako manood, ganyan. Yung iba naman pwedeng regarding sa person mo, pwedeng nare-realize mo kung ano yung connection ninyo, may mga bago kang nalalaman, ay parang may something sa amin itong person nito, maybe we are twin flame or soulmate, pwedeng ngayon mo palang naiintindihan yon. For some of you, it's kind of learnings, pwedeng sa sarili mo, mga bagong talento na nakikita mo, something to do with new things na maaaring sa ngayon, hindi mo pa masyadong nauunawaan, pero nandun yung kahit papano, na-amaze ka sa nakikita mo sa unti-unting, sabihin na natin may kaalaman man pero kunti-kunti. Hindi pa ganun masyado. Na-amaze ka. Now, there's a past energy here, past person na pwedeng napapag-connect-connecta mo ngayon yung kung ano meron dito sa person ito or you want to connect to this person, this past person. And maybe for now, hindi mo alam kung paano. And I see a lot of passion sa'yo dito sa person na ito. But, yung sarili mo kasi ngayon parang marami ka new beginnings eh. So, parang hindi mo maharap pa. Or hindi mo alam kung anong action ang gagawin mo dito sa taong to o sa person na ito. Yung iba, hindi mo pa alam kung anong action ang gagawin mo dito sa mga bagong kaalaman or bagong mga nalalaman mo ngayon. So, sino ba to person na ito? Pagdating sa love. Actually, this is love reading, guys. For those of you who didn't know, most of my readings are love readings, especially itong mga daily. Pero mamaya, kukuha tayo ng konting messages regarding mga career, etc. Okay, napakalalim nito eh. Yung kung ano man itong kaalaman na ito, maybe medyo malawak, medyo malalim. Pero you are excited to understand more, to learn more from this. No, nakukuha mo yung excitement. You do have your air, which is also dito sa air sign na ito. I can see here the word ace again. So, ace is number 1. So, that's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Pwedeng itong person na ito may mga gusto siyang sabihin din eh. Regarding sa mga bagong nangyayari sa buhay niya. And, sa ngayon nakikita natin, may mga bagay siyang kinikimkim, itinatago. And you do have your reflection. So, pwede may pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong person na ito. But, this person is, you do have your, this is rejection, pero I saw the word reflection. So, for some of you, this could be a twin flame connection because pwedeng may reflection or medyo may pagkakahawik kayo ng person na to, something na parang pareho sa inyo, and this person currently is broken. Maraming mga bagong nangyayari sa kanya na sobrang hirap para sa kanya. Yung sa'yo more on growth, guys. Kung meron ka mang mga bagong natututunan ngayon, some kind of growth ito. And maybe hindi mo pa maiharap sa tao kasi sarili mo muna yung gusto mong matutunan. O kumbaga hindi mo pa magamit. Or gusto mong gamitin but for now, konti pa lang kasi yung alam mo regarding dito. So paano mo siya gagamitin, etc. etc. And ito person na ito is currently not happy. Broken siya. So maaaring may mga problema itong person na ito. Pero may mga bagay kasi siyang kailangan baguhin muna, some kind of transformation ang pinagdadaanan nitong person na ito. Maybe there's some kind of mga bagay na nawala sa kanya or sitwasyon na nawala sa kanya. And this person regrets this decision. No, so pinagsisisihan niya yung decision dahil might be kaya nagkakaroon ng new beginning. Of course, pagka nagkaroon ng new beginning, maybe there's an ending. And regarding the ending, nakikita natin ito as pagsisisi mula dito sa person na ito. Pinagsisisihan niya kung ano man yung ending na yun whatsoever, dahil maaaring sa ngayon humaharap siya sa matinding problema. Okay, nakakita tayo ng depression mula dito sa taon to. So, water sign, ano bang emotion mo towards this person? Anong emotion mo towards this person? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Emotion mo para sa kanya? May nakita akong kamay, by the way. So, I don't know if you're doing something with your hand or maybe may mga ginawa kang bago sa kamay mo, like maybe a tattoo or manicure. Pwedeng maybe while watching, you're doing something with your hand, you're washing your hand, naglalagay ng alcohol, whatever kind of thing na ginagamit mo yung kamay mo, no? Kasi I'm seeing a hand, no? Which is, nakakita rin ako ng color blue. So, maybe something to do with your hand and the color blue. Yon. So, maybe you're washing kasi yung water is like color blue. Kumbaga, kung titingnan natin yung water sa picture, it's more like color blue ang color niya. So, something to do with the hand and a color blue. So, yan. You do have your cycles and thoughts. So, feeling mo, pinabayaan ka na or wala nang pakialam sa itong person na to. That's what I'm seeing here. You are focusing on self-love. This is you at the bottom of the deck. Self-love. Focusing on creating something new. Creating your future. And I feel like yung intention mo is for you to grow, to love yourself, to nurture itong mga nasa paligid mo. And for what I can see here, you're being artistic, no? Dito sa pagbabago sa buhay mo. You're trying to change yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, pati sa itsura, sa looks, maybe that's why pwedeng wala sa person itong concentration mo, but rather, ano pa bang improvements ang magagawa ko? Ano pa bang improvements ang magagawa ko sa sarili ko? How can I improve myself, my talents, my skills, my, more on improvement, guys. You're not focusing on your person. Tinatanong natin kung anong emotion mo para sa kanya. Sa ngayon, you are focusing on change at wala kang pakialam sa kung ano man ang nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Maybe some of you do love this person kasi nakakakita tayo dito ng fire energy, that's passion. Maybe, yung iba naman, okay, gusto ko siya, okay, importante siya, okay, special siya sa akin, pero hindi siya ang main priority ko. And maybe, oo, nanonood ka ng mga tarot readings, but this is just your way para malaman pa kung ano yung mangyayari in the near future for you, ano ba, yung iba libangan eh. Pero, the way I see this, you are using this as a guidance na rin kung paano pa mas mai-improve ang sarili mo. Kasi you are focusing on self-development, okay? Which is maganda. Mas nakafocus ka ngayon sa sarili mo. Notice how this picture, there's a face here and yung face is nakaturo or nakatingin doon sa kanyang sarili, no? And this is you focusing on, maybe kung hindi, you see the face is not here, no? So, pwedeng you are looking through your soul. What is your soul purpose? So, pwedeng nakafocus ka doon. Ano ba yung purpose mo? Ano ba yung makakapagpag-grow sa'yo to grow your purpose, etc. So, nandun yung focus mo. So, how about your person? Ano yung emotions niya towards you? You do have your self-love. So, one more card. Yan. Expression is here and this is the truth here. So, at the bottom of the deck, there's this ace, which is water sign. This is you, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and followed by the feminine. Etong person na ito is, I feel like, you know, I'm seeing the person here, which is wearing a mask. And, sa nakikita natin, that is not the truth. Okay? Although yung word dito is truth, but this person is not being true sa kanyang emotion. Maybe pinapakita niya, wala siyang pakialam niya sa sarili niya. This is like, yung pinapakita niya sa'yo, which is, I don't care about you, I care about myself. Ganon. Kaya maaaring nararamdaman mo rin sa kanya na parang wala siyang pakialam. And it is because hindi naman niya pinapakita with the expression and the truth here. And you do have here the ace, which is water. And as you can see, it's like a lot of love here. The ace of cups, it is showing to me as the ace of cups. And sa tarot decks, the ace of cups is all about love. All about emotions. Okay? Kaya lang, hindi niya mai-express, hindi niya masabi. And I want to know why, bakit hindi niya masabi or ma-express yung kanyang emotions patungkol sa'yo. Yeah, you do have your control. So, tinatry niyang i-control itong kanyang emotion towards you. Either ganon or someone or something is controlling this person para hindi niya masabi sa'yo kung ano yung totoong emotion niya. So, pwedeng kinokontrol niya, hindi niya masabi sa'yo kasi kinokontrol niya, or may someone na nagkokontrol sa kanya to tell you the truth, no? Wait lang guys, medyo gagalaw ang aking stand. So, yeah, you do have your celebration, gift, abundance. So, itong person na ito is, dito sa 3 words na to, ang mas notice ko is the gift, which is, kung titingnan mo kasi yung isang regalo, it is something very special. Hindi ka magbibigay ng regalo na hindi special yung regalo na yun. No? Hindi ka magbibigay ng regalo na wala lang yung regalo na yun. No, you're thinking about the person before you give the gift. And dito sa connection ninyo, this person is always thinking about you. Pero maaaring hindi niya mai-open sa'yo yung emotions niya. Diba? And sa nakikita natin dito, this person is really guarded. Ayan, closed off, guarded. And tinatry niyang i-resist or pigilan ang emotions na ito. So, I want to know, anong gusto niya mangyari? Anong gusto niya mangyari? Anong gusto niya mangyari? Anong gusto niya mangyari? This person, you do have your rebirth. Gusto niya ng new beginning. The rebirth is talking about new beginning. This is focusing on pagbabalik ng mga nakaraan. So maybe whatever happened in the past, pinagsisisihan niya bakit hindi ko to ginawa. Bakit hindi ko to sinabi? Ba't hindi ko to ginawa? Ba't ngayon ko lang to na-realize na ito pala dapat ang ginawa ko, na dapat ito This person is having awakening. You do have your remember. And maaaring itong person na ito, ang gusto niya mangyari is to offer you. You do have your Venus and the word offer here. So, gusto niya mag-offer sa'yo ng I can see the picture of the sun. So, something na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. So, actually, for now, it is not clear to me kung ano makakapagpasaya sa'yo ngayon or sa past. But I can see it is something na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. This is what you like to happen. Kumbaga, gusto niya ring mangyari kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari in the past. And, so, nasa sa'yo yun. Kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari in the past, yun din ang gusto niya mangyari ngayon. This person is, currently, nandito siya sa kanyang karma. And, I feel like this karma is, this karma is isa sa nakakatulong kung bakit mas nadidiscover niya ngayon yung connection ninyo. And this person, yung person na nakakonect niya is very clingy. You do have your clinging, and it's like nakakapit or lagi lang nasa paligid niya, nasa tabi niya, and that's why your person, hindi siya makapag-desisyon. Ang nagiging desisyon niya ngayon, and there's a crossroad here, and your person mo, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya desisyon So, sa ngayon, ang focus niya is yung sarili niya. Self-care is here, and pwedeng yun din naman ang pinapakita niya sa'yo din. Kasi nga, tinatry niyang kontrolin. And what will happen in the near future for the both of you, for water sign, please? Anong gusto niyo mangyari sa inyong dalawa? You do have here change. What will happen? So, anong mangyayari in the future for you? Hindi yung gusto niya mangyari, ha? Sorry. Kasi kanina nakuha na natin yung gusto niyang mangyari. Ngayon, what will happen in the near future sa'yo? You do have your change. So, malaking pagbabago. You do have your ace. Actually, I saw 4 na ace. So, that could be an angel number for you, 1111. So, actually, this is a twin flame card with a yin-yang oracle. So, this is a twin flame card. Pero, lumalakas pa na ang energy na ito ay 4 twin flames talaga, because nagpakita talaga din sa atin ang 4 na ace. And lahat ng sign, like this is like a twin flame, kasi maybe ito yung taong nakakapagpakumpleto sa'yo or ganon. You do have your faith, and this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're going to end something in the near future. Meron kang i-end. Okay? And you feel like kailangan mo baguhin or kailangan mong i-end because this is not what you want to do. Kumbaga, may something na ayaw mo nang ituloy. Kaya i-end mo itong bagay na ito because ayaw mo na ituloy yun maybe that is not your path, that is not your purpose, that is not your way. Ayaw mo, maybe yung iba sa inyo nag-try, but this is not who you really are. And you are trying to focus on your destiny, kung ano yung destiny mo. And maybe there's something in the future na nakikita mo ay hindi yan ang destiny ko. You do have your self-worth and expectations. So, mas nakikita natin in the near future that you value yourself, you value your health, you value your kumbaga kung ano ka as a person. Hindi ko na nakikita na makikinig ka sa kung ano yung ididikta sa'yo ng iba or sasabihin ng iba, but rather kung ano yung sasabihin or kung ano talagang gusto mong mangyari. And this is what you are doing in the near future. So may mga bagay kang ini-end kasi there's separation here. O yan, may mga aalisan or lalayuan or tatapusin kang sitwasyon dahil maaaring hindi mo na nakikita ng potential. And yung iba naman, hindi mo maibigay ang commitment mo dito sa bagay na ito. That's why you're going to end this. And I cannot commit myself sa bagay na hindi ko naman gusto or hindi naman nag-work out para sa akin. So this is you. Changing your route. Yung ruta mo. Na you're changing your maybe hindi lang nagbigagawa ng desisyon, but rather taking actions para ma-end na completely kung ano man ito. If you have commitment with this situation, maybe a career, yung iba change of career, yung iba ending of a career na pwedeng hindi nag-work out para sa'yo. And yung iba, this could be a relationship na hindi nag-work out para sa'yo, but high chance na you're taking actions. Malamang yung iba sa inyo, matagal lang pinag-iisipan. Pero ngayon, nakikita natin in the future, you're taking actions towards this. And what will happen to your person in the near future, please, for the sign of water sign? Autumn is here, and you do have here summer. Wow, dalawang season na yun, ano? Tell me more. You do have your third eye, which is clarity. Wow. Actually, sa tagal ko naggamit nitong card na ito, this is the first time, no, na nagpapakita itong clarity, which is the third eye sa akin. So, it is telling me something. Pero I'd like to get one more card for your person. Yan. And you do have here at the bottom of the deck, which is confusion, Neptune, and illusion. And you do have here epiphany, breakthrough. So, etong person na ito, in the near future, I feel like ini-embrace niya or tinatanggap niya kung ano man yung ibinato sa kanya. Like, there's problem na nakikita natin pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. So, tinatanggap niya to. But, there's growth doon. Kung ano man yung nagpapa-challenge dito sa person na ito, nakikita naman natin siya na nag-grow. Na okay, itong nangyayari sa kanya, meron naman palang dahilan. Okay, nagkakaroon siya ng problema, nagkakaroon ng hindi magandang sitwasyon. Pero nagkakaroon siya ng realizations. Let me clarify the autumn and harvest, please. You do have here contracts, career, and commitment. And sa wall, makikita mo yung word na until death tear us apart. And there's the word there's the planet Saturn. And you do have your action, courage, and Jupiter beginnings. Nakakakita tayo dito ng magandang future pagdating sa person mo. pagdating sa kanyang career. Okay? Nakakakita tayo ng magandang bunga, no? Na yes, there's a new beginning for your person, there's growth toward your person. Pero mas nakikita natin dito, especially with the third eye, mas ginagamit niya yung mga bagay na tingin niyang makakatulong or makakabuti para sa kanya. So, this person is well guided by the spirit guides. So, maganda yon. What is the near future in between the two of you? What will happen in between the two of you? Kasi more on sa sarili ninyo to eh. The near future is you focusing on yourself. Yung person niya, person mo is focusing din naman sa kanyang sarili. But how about the connection? What is the near future between the connection? For water sign. You do have here self-worth. Yeah, that's what I told you. Mas nakafocus kayo in the near future sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili with the self-worth. No? Kasi, ayaw mo nang mag-expect sa connection na ito. Yung person mo is ayaw na rin naman niyang mag-expect. Maybe, hindi masyadong nag-workout sa inyo or hindi pa masyadong okay yung connection na ito. You do have your separation. So, in the near future, there's continuous separation in between the two of you. Pero nakafocus ka sa sarili mo, sa development mo. Nakafocus din naman siya. Guys, the way I say this is that yung person mo might be focusing sa mga material na bagay sa buhay niya. Na which is, kailangan talaga niya yun eh. Kailangan niya mag-focus sa mga material na bagay na yun. And there's you with the energy of focusing on spiritual or, you know, yung mga hindi nakikita, like talents, you know, mga bagay na kailangan mong i-improve sa sarili mo. And it's okay. It's okay. Ganun talaga. If this is a twin flame connection, having a twin flame is growing together, pero both of you are apart, magkalayo. Yung twin flame connection, it's really hard to understand, pero it's like twin flame connection, sa mga sign na nakita natin. And maaaring nagkakaroon ng growth sa kanya-kanyang ninyong sarili, pero nakikita natin yung connection nyo nandun pa rin. It doesn't mean na may paglalayo kayo ay nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, nagpo-focus sa sarili niya, ay wala lang to. It's just that, especially with the word debt, may mga kailangan pang bayaran. May mga kautangan. Pwedeng material, like literal na utang na kailangan bayaran, or I'm hearing the word karma na kailangan pang ma-experience, no? Para may matutunan doon sa karma na yon, like a lesson. And this connection is guided by spirit guides, ancestor guides is here. So sa ngayon, just trust this divine timing. I-trust mo lang, maniwala ka lang. Kumaga, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, pero at the same time, hayaan mo lang. Kumaga, divine timing is working right now sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Diba? And, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. By the way, nakalimutan kong humingi ng messages regarding, or sabihin yung mga messages regarding career, because I told you I'm going to tell you ang message regarding career. So, hihingi tayo ng konting messages regarding dyan. Dami messages regarding sa career ng water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides for the sign of water sign. You do have your self-worth, expectation, and the Ace, Earth, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The South Node is here. And clinging. Someone or pwedeng someone in the past. Maybe your past career, past boss, past, or, yeah, regarding sa past na career. This person, gusto niya malaman kung ano na ba nangyayari sa'yo. This person is keeping tabs. Lagi siyang nakiki-update or gusto niyang maging updated. This person is currently healing because, syempre, past na, no? So, healing dahil maaaring naging malaki ang impluensya mo or naitulong mo sa kanya or sa kumpanya. You know what I mean? Pero, or unti-unti niyang na-adapt or ina-adapt na yung energy na wala ka. Pwedeng gano'n. But this person wants to, kasi naging komportable naman siya sa'yo. This person is watching you. And I feel like someone here is having regret. Hindi ko masabi kung ikaw or the boss itself. Hindi ko masabi kung sino sa inyo ang nagkakaroon ng regret, pagsisisi, because of what happened. Kasi pwedeng this could be you na nagdesisyon ka. But this past is still interested kung kamusta ka na ba ngayon. Okay? Pwedeng siya yung nagkakaroon ng pagsisisi, or ikaw nagkakaroon ng pagsisisi, but isa lang sa inyo. Alam mo yan, kung hindi ikaw yun, din siya. Kung ikaw yung nagawa ng desisyon, maaaring ikaw. Wait lang, guys. Okay. You do have here, ayan, fire sign, which is ace, fire sign. So, the past career, meron siyang mga bagong ginagawa. So, your past boss or past company, may mga bago silang ginagawa ngayon. And I feel like there's a change of destiny here. Destiny, yan, with the fate. So, may pagbabago ng destiny. So, hindi lang ikaw yung may mga ginagawang pagbabago, but rather, itong past din na ito. And may mga unexpected change. Yeah, there's unexpected change na nangyayari dito sa past na ito. But anyway, let's talk about you. Bakit lumalabas pa rin dito yung past? You do have here the Venus sign and an offer. Clarify this, please. Pagdating sa career. And you do have your limitations. Clarify this, please. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, there's an offer coming from the past na pwedeng hindi mo sigurado kung tatanggapin mo or hindi. Yan, because nasanay ka na rin with the comfort zone. Nasanay ka na rin. Maybe yung iba sa inyo kung ano man itong bago or kung yung present mo ngayon, nasanay ka na rin na nandito ka na eh. No? And some of you are having temptation na itanggapin itong offer na ito. As much as possible, hindi, at this is, yung iba nangyayari na ngayon, yung iba will happen pa lang. But for what I can see here, hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin mo kasi gusto mo munang malaman ang kalahatan. You don't want to be the person na tatanggapin pero hindi ka pa 100% sure dahil mamaya may itinatago na maaaring itong offer na ito ay magandang offer pero hindi mo sure kung ito ba'y dapat tanggapin. You know, you're having doubts. The Venus sign is here, so like it's too good to be true. Pwedeng or hindi naman ito dapat ganito. Or maybe yung ine-expect mo is, or yung ipinapakitang offer sa'yo is maganda, but you're not sure kung tatanggapin mo. May takot eh. may takot ako nakikita sa'yo regarding this new beginning na ito that will be offered to you. Ay, hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin mo kasi parang hindi ka sigurado. But, yeah. And you don't want to get out of your comfort zone or you're not ready na umalis sa iyong comfort zone. But, let me ask more regarding this offer. Ano ba dapat gawain? For water sign, ano ba dapat gawain sa offer na ito? You do have here growth. Oh, wow. And renewal. Okay. So far, so good, ha? And you do have here beliefs. And you do have your air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is cycle. Completion. Change. Honestly, the energy here is, it is like a go signal. Tanggapin si offer. Why? Kasi it will create big change sa'yo, sa buhay mo. Okay? It will give you stability. Magbibigay ito ng stability sa'yo. Okay? And whatever you have right now, or what you are doing right now, kung nasaan ka, no, na career, maybe yung trabaho mo dyan is completed na. Yung dapat mong matutunan yan dyan, yung dapat mong ma-contribute dyan is enough na. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo rin naman mag-grow. And I see here with the purpose that you have your purpose na kailangan mong, you know, the North Node is talking about purpose. No? This is your purpose sa buhay mo. And I feel like yung purpose mo dito is, you do have your Mercury, and yeah, the planet for communication is Mercury. So, you need to travel or you need to accept itong message na ito para mas ma-open up itong mga bagay na dapat mong malaman or matutunan, and for you na mas magkaroon ng growth. I feel like in the near future, you will be happy sa kung ano yung maa-accomplish mo dito sa bago na ito. And you do have your spark, renewal. As you can see in the picture, it looks like an energy of New Year. O total ng New Year na naman na, di ba? 2024. So, kailangan ngayong taon to, meron ka rin namang growth na naman na mangyayari sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Hindi tayo pwedeng nagpapaka-stuck sa mga dating paniniwala. And yeah, the South Node is here. What I really like about this reading is that nanggaling ka sa South Node, which is dito yung comfort zone mo, dito ka nasanay, ito ganyan. And you're heading to your North Node, which is yun yung purpose mo talaga. Kailangan mong i-accept in order for you na marating mo kung ano yung purpose mo talaga sa buhay mo. Okay? Hindi lang to basta offer, but this offer can change your life, can change your belief, or mabago lahat sa'yo, ang paningin ng tao sa'yo, may advancement. And it's creating stability here. So, napakaganda. May bagong offer para sa'yo. You need to accept this. This is the go signal para i-accept yun. Regarding sa mga natatakot, if may itinatago ba ito or may something ba ito, I feel like you need to trust your instinct. Trust your instinct. Kasi paano kung wala? 'Di ba? Pakiramdam mo, wala. The first, eto ha, huwag kang magpabago-bago ng instinct. Kung ano yung una mo naramdaman. Kung ano yung una mong naramdaman. The moment na inopen sa'yo yung offer, ano yung naramdaman mo? Yun yung kilalanin mo doon sa instinct mo. Okay? Ay, hindi, baka okay naman tong offer na to. Tapos, after several pagpapalitan ng emails or ng chat, biglang masasabi, naku, parang ayoko magtiwala biglang nabago, ang una mong sundin, or ang una mong naramdaman, yun ang dapat mong sundin. So, kung naramdaman mo, parang okay tong offer na to Parang hindi naman ito scam. Parang hindi naman ako lolokohin ito. And you feel good about it. Then, maaaring ito na yung breakthrough mo. You do have your breakthrough. This is like, maaaring ito na yung magbigay ng happiness or magandang simula para sa'yo. Okay? So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka, nakuha mo yung messages. Oh, wow. This is the longest message or longest time sa ginawa ko, no? So far. And I love talking to you guys. Sana na-appreciate mo yung reading ko. Mag-comment ka naman sa baba. Please do follow me doon sa aking TikTok. Yan. I love you all and bye-bye.